Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna spare y'all the yap sesh and cut straight to the point. Yesterday, so a couple days ago, it was my birthday, 21st birthday, but my beautiful, lovely girlfriend, she bought me a Catless Downpipe, and I installed it yesterday. I didn't record it because I didn't really want to, and I was pretty eager to get it on and get it over with because I just wanted to hear how it would sound. And I'll give y'all a cold start here in a second, but let me just show y'all. What we're working with. And luckily I found this, but let me just show y'all. Show y'all what we got going on. You can kind of see in there a little bit, right there. You know, it's not the best setup, you know, but and then I'll show you under. If y'all can see under there. Yeah, dude. It wasn't too hard to install. Some of the bolts were like a pain to reach because they were just in tight spots. But yeah, we got it on. We got it done. You know, and yeah, we're officially catless. I was thinking about tuning it to get rid of the check engine light, but it's whatever. It's not going to really do no harm. But yeah, we're going to give you guys a cold start right here. See how it sounds. That's weird. Didn't start. As y'all can hear, it is really, I mean, as expected, it is really loud. I don't know why the cold start didn't work, kind of scared me a little bit, but yeah, there's a little bit of an exhaust leak on the connection from like the downpipe to the rest of the exhaust. So I have to get an extra bolt from Home Depot to patch that up. But yeah, dude, it sounds pretty fucking insane. Pretty awesome. Real quick, I'm about to go grab coffee or something, but get a few sound clips in. Alright. It's time for some revs.